A Republican senator is now calling for Dr. Anthony Fauci, the nation's top infectious disease expert, to be prosecuted for allegedly lying to Congress. That call comes amid new disclosures from the National Institutes of Health about its role in funding coronavirus experiments in China. Sinclair National correspondent James Rosen reports.
The NIH and NIAID did not fund gain-of-function research to be conducted at the Wuhan Institute of Virology.
Repeatedly in sworn testimony, Dr. Anthony Fauci, head of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, or NIAID, and Dr. Francis Collins, director of the National Institutes of Health, or NIH, which oversees Fauci's office, have told lawmakers they never approved funding for Chinese researchers to perform gain-of-function research.
Do we know whether the Wuhan Institute of Virology does gain-of-function research?
They were not approved by NIH for doing gain-of-function research.
Gain-of-function refers to the highly dangerous work that was conducted at the Wuhan Institute of Virology, the laboratory located at the epicenter of the COVID-19 outbreak, where scientists modified existing bat coronaviruses to make them more transmissible among humans, ostensibly to help develop vaccines, but also useful in China's advanced biochemical weapons program. Now, in an October 20 letter to Republican Congressman James Comer of Kentucky, ranking member on the Oversight and Government Reform Committee, an NIH official, Dr. Lawrence Tabak, has acknowledged that the agency's lucrative grants to the New York-based nonprofit EcoHealth Alliance, which in turn supported the work at the Wuhan Institute, did indeed subsidize gain-of-function research there. The limited experiment, the letter stated, was testing if spike proteins from naturally occurring bat coronaviruses circulating in China were capable of binding to the human ACE2 receptor in a mouse model. Laboratory mice infected in this way, the letter disclosed, became sicker than those infected with the original coronavirus. Although the NIH letter did not use the term gain of function, the process it described matched it. What's more, the letter stated that EcoHealth failed to report this finding right away, as was required by the terms of the grant. At the same time, NIH insisted the bat coronaviruses studied under the EcoHealth Alliance grant could not have been the source of SARS-CoV-2 and the COVID-19 pandemic.
What they were doing was a man-made super SARS-like virus with the anticipation of creating a vaccine, for that virus. But they were playing with fire.
A spokesperson for Drs. Collins and Fauci told us the EcoHealth grant application was properly reviewed and found to be scientifically meritorious. The claims of misleading testimony, they say, are inaccurate. And they add that the coronavirus under study in Wuhan was as genetically different from COVID-19 as humans are from cows. On Capitol Hill, James Rosen.